Today we have the 2017 BMW 1 Series. This vehicle has done just under 56,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights, and our keyless ignition. Moving on to our screen, we can access notifications, my vehicle, connected drive, navigation, communication, and media and radio. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Using our mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes: Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro.